Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox two items. The first item is an item that I ordered from Iron Heart, and it arrived here in the Philippines after 12 days. I bought another item from an authorized Levi's store here in the Philippines, which is located at the Levi's store in SM Mega Mall, Metro Manila. So I have two different items from two different brands, one from Iron Heart and another from Levi's. The first item is ordered from Iron Heart America, since that is the place where I usually order Iron Heart from abroad. I have it sent through Johnny Air Cargo here in the Philippines. While the other one is I bought it in a store which I was able to fit it properly in the said store in Metro Manila. The first item that I'm going to unbox is an item that came all the way from United Kingdom, and it was sent to the United States in my forwarding address in Los Angeles, California, and it was sent to the Philippines via the Johnny Air Cargo. And after 9 days, I was able to receive it since the time that I ordered last week of September. And this here, the usual green plastic bag, and this particular item passed through the Philippine Customs, but I only paid 1,050 or 1,100 pesos all in all. So we're going to unbox this. Of course, you have the usual Iron Heart brown bag with the logo. So we're going to open it, and then this is the one that I ordered. So this is the herringbone hickory western shirt in 8 ounces with Sawtooth pocket. So this is 8 ounces, very light, lighter than my previous western shirts. You have those two front yokes, of course, two front pockets with Sawtooth flaps and snap buttons. At the back, you have a single yoke, and this is size small. The price of this is $330. And you have those nice snap buttons. The measurement here is, as usual, I have only 3 important measurements. You have the shoulder, which is 17 inches. And then you have the pit-to-pit measurement, which is the chest measurement. And I think this is 20 inches. And the hem opening, which is also 20 inches. So my size in Iron Heart is small. However, in their jacket, my size is medium. We'll open this. This is the inside portion, and this one has a fading potential also. But what I like is in this particular item is the Sawtooth, Western Sawtooth flap on the front pockets. Actually, this is my second Western shirt with Sawtooth pockets. The second item that I'm going to unbox is favorite brand. This is a Levi's Western shirt, which has also a Sawtooth front pockets with snap buttons. It has also the same yoke on the shoulder, front shoulder. It has a single yoke on the back. The price of this is $2,999, but I was able to get a discount. I think 10% discount, and also a discount coming from my points, wherein I'm a gold member on the Levi's store here in the Philippines. It has 3 snap buttons on the hem of the sleeves. My size here is small. Actually, I was supposed to be extra small, but they don't have any available extra small, and I was able to get this as this was the only size that they have in the store, and it is very hard to get the extra small. I asked them if they can source it out from another branch, but they told me that it is already sold out. So we're going to open this. And you have the usual tabs, 4 tabs on every Levi's product. This is made in India, and this is 100% cotton. So this is a stone wash item, but still an indigo. It looks good. It looks like it is a vintage Levi's Western shirt with 2 Sawtooth flap covers on the front pockets. So this is very nice. Later on this video, we are going to have a fitting video, and of course you have that tab. So the reason why I am collecting this kind of Western shirts is because of the flaps, Sawtooth flaps, and it is very unfortunate that the available Western shirt in Sawtooth pocket is always sold out in Brave Star. That's the reason why I still don't have that Brave Star Sawtooth Western shirt. Nice.